Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Datadog Python integration for data pipeline monitoring. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by installing the Datadog Python library. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the command pip install Datadog. Make sure the installation completes successfully. Next, configure the Datadog client. Create a new Python file for your configuration. Import the required libraries from Datadog import initialize. Set up your configuration dictionary with your Datadog API key and application key. Call the initialize function with your configuration. Now, it's time to start monitoring your data pipeline. Decide which metrics you want to track. For instance, you can monitor task execution times or error rates. Use the datadog.api metric.send function to send custom metrics. Specify the metric name and the value you want to send. Include tags for better organization of your metrics. For each metric, ensure you're capturing the correct data at the right times. Consider using a scheduler to regularly send metrics. You can use tools like cron jobs or built-in scheduling in your pipeline frameworks. Test your integration. Run your data pipeline and check the Datadog dashboard for incoming metrics. Ensure that the metrics are displayed correctly. If you encounter issues, double-check your configuration settings. Finally, explore additional features like alerts and dashboards. This will enhance your ability to monitor your data pipeline effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.